Sometimes I think that you suspect that holistic doctors ask odd questions. And when you come to a holistic practice, you have to expect that you're going to get more because we're going to make it that way. So one of the questions I want to ask you, which you may find odd, is, do you snore? Now, what does snoring have to do with eye care? Well, it wouldn't seem likely, but it does. And here's the issue. If you snore, there's a possibility, and it can be a strong one depending on your age, that you have sleep apnea to some degree. And sleep apnea interferes with circulation in your body. And what this does is weaken the nerve in the eye, and what that does is make you prone towards glaucoma, which is the second most common cause of blindness in America. So the question is, do you snore? Now, if you do, you should let us know the next time you come to the office, and we will make an extra effort to be sure to look at your whole health and your risk for glaucoma, because it has no symptoms. You would simply not know. So, next time you think about coming to the eye doctor, think about the question, do you snore? And now you know why we asked that question.